Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here at Cajun Hydroponics. We still getting it done, y'all. Y'all. Okay, those of y'all that's been following me for a while knows that we had two smaller greenhouses here that we were going to use for lettuce runs. Well, when I started putting the beds in, the raised beds, I didn't take out the plastic that was there with it for the reason of, you could see, and I've already weed-eated this grass twice, but you could see the difference between here and there. That's where the plastic was. So what I have done is cut the plastic down the middle and I'm rolling it over the sides. Then I'm going to come back and put the cardboard down after I dig up a little bit of this. I'm not a fan of leaving that in there. Probably going to weed eat it a little bit more. But yep, that's what we got going on right now. Since about 4 o'clock. Woke up early. We went to eat some sushi last night and it knocked me out. By 8 o'clock I was sleeping, which is very unusual. But yeah, so at 2:15 I was up drinking coffee. But you can see right here, cut it down the middle. I'm taking the dirt off of it that's still on it so it doesn't make pockets to hold up against the wood. And I'm laying it over the sides, like right here, and stapling it to hold it. Then I'm gonna come back, put the cardboard against the side, angled, then flat. I'll do another video and show you. But I'm doing that, then I'm gonna come back down the middle and piece to cover up all the holes. That's what we got going on right now. The wind is blowing pretty good and it's cold. Man, it says it's like 43 degrees, but it feels like it's 20 with the humidity. You can see, look in the back over there. I put me up a helper light. I was tired of fighting everything with a little flashlight, no headlight, but here's a little piece of the greenhouse. I mean the trellis system. Here is a different angle of it. Paya. That's the other side. Lord, it's gonna be some fun. It's gonna be a lot of growing. Still have a few screws left to put, probably about 50 screws left to tie everything in good and start figuring out where we're gonna put some structural support to help, because it wobbles a little bit. The pipes could have probably been a little bit thicker iron, but it wobbles a little bit. I mean, you can see, let's see, comme ça right there, that one's off at an angle. That's because it's not screwed at the top. We just need to put it back level where it needs to go. But that's it. We've been using the cattle panels, not the cattle panels, we use the rolled cement wire. We've been using it for about 10 years. And actually, about 75 feet of this is some of the original wire that we used. If you keep it off the ground and up in the air off the ground, you get a little bit of surface rust on it. But for the most part, it lasts forever as long as it's not in the dirt. So yep, that's what we got going on. South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. In the beginning of February, and I mean, it's chilly, but it's still 40-something degrees. Y'all have a good one. Y'all grow that later.